guys, Sonia here from Domestic Diva, and welcome to the summer edition of the $5 Goodwill Challenge hosted by Hilary from the Old World Home. I will leave the link down below to her channel as well as the playlist. So if you don't know what the $5 Goodwill Challenge is we have a $5 budget to find something from a thrift store, secondhand store, Value Village. It can be a garage sale for this season, any secondhand type of outlet, I guess. And we can either upcycle it or spruce it up to fit our decor or leave it as is. I have decided to update my mantle for the summer season, as I usually do for most of the seasons, and I wanted to incorporate some more glass, maybe different colored glass. So I had come across this beautiful blue glass bottle for $3.99 Canadian. I was very pleased that I had found this, and I had decided to pair it up with my other thrifted find and some other things that I had already purchased before and lying around the house. So I think it turned out really great, and if you would like to see a full tour of my summer home decor, I will leave it in the corner or link it down below. I will leave a link in a corner and a link down below. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, coming from the playlist, I would love for you to join me. I do DIYs, lifestyle type of videos, cooking, cleaning, or a couple paired with some vlogs and some daycare related content on my channel. So I'm sure you can find something that fits your needs. And don't forget to press the notification button so you don't miss out any of the new videos that I post. Until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Hilary, for another great challenge.